Hey everyone! Welcome back to Savvy English. Today, we're learning 6 super useful phrasal verbs and expressions you can use every day. Let's get started and keep an eye out for the examples. First up, keep an eye out for. This means to watch carefully or to look for something or someone. For example, keep an eye out for the delivery truck, it should arrive soon. Or, I'll keep an eye out for your lost phone. Next, keep up with. This means to stay at the same speed or level as someone or to stay informed. For example, she walks so fast, I can't keep up with her. It's hard to keep up with all the new trends online. The phrase make up has 2 common meanings. The first one is to invent something. For example, she made up a story about losing her homework. Another meaning is to reconcile. For example, after the argument, they made up and became friends again. Next, play a role in. It means to be part of or influence something. For examples, teachers play a big role in students' success. Or, technology plays a role in almost every job today. The phrase shut down means to stop something from working or to close it completely. For examples, the factory shut down after 50 years. Please shut down your laptop before leaving. Our last phrase is, get rid of. It means to remove, throw away, or stop using something. For example, I need to get rid of these old clothes. She got rid of her bad habits. Alright, let's practice. Can you fill in the blanks? Ready? Now, let's check the answers. I need to get rid of my old shoes. Please shut down your computer before you leave. Let's make up after our argument. Scientists play a role in fighting climate change. Keep an eye out for any special discounts at the store. It's hard to keep up with all the new apps these days. Nice work! You're really keeping up with these new phrases. Great job! You've just learned 6 useful phrasal verbs, and now you can get rid of confusion when you hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep an eye out for our next video on Savvy English.